I tell them suck them other thing. Remember say if I have a brain and sexy, enough people not get, nobody not know enough people, bro. And that don't look upon, because if you don't miss somebody live, when you can go over sexy area, when you can go over Brianna page and go fast. And you will find it. Because them the 300 place one time. You see me I say? But pre this, I just what the man come out as and I tell you about 12-year-old and he make a little video and apologize to the public. And the whole Jamaica find this funny now. We don't find it funny. Because when youth come out here disturb everybody, I tell you when suck from when not suck. Bro, the things that what some man say and do for people look upon them. I'm going to tell you this, bro. I'm on the internet and I can tell you this. You see, look how I'm glad that most people not take certain things serious. Because I can tell you this, bro. I can tell you this straight, my dad. You see, Jayden can't go in a no blood clot garrison. And I ask Jayden can't go in a no garrison. I tell her that. No garrison can't go in a. The blood clot, them get little him weak, man. And I'm telling you, brother, when you sit down and support too much fuckery, when I already in this up everybody and class up everybody and this and that, I wanna find it funny. When you laugh about it, bro. When you wait, man. When I go fight, you see when time things start reach, you know, and then time they not go say, it's a blood clot. You know, so we should take this thing serious. For one little youth to come out here, come tell you, say, 12-year-old and RayEdits and go on. The whole Jamaica bash him. And by your look, at the whole Jamaica that accept back the fuckery again. The whole Jamaica accept back the fuckery again. You see me? But no worry yourself. But the things say Jamaica burn out them thing there. But the things say Jamaica burn out people where people were fast with little pitney. And him just make one little video and about, oh, that was a joke, I take it too far. No bumbo clap, body no run no joke with my pitney, you mad? What the fuck you talk about, man? The amount of gunfire in this pussy clap. I say, me live a jailhouse. I'm talk it every fucking day, say one reason why me I got jail. If a boy or a girl feel like say, you can ramp with my blood clot one daughter, you make a sad mistake. Cause you could have run gone to your mama, the whole of them a get it. From the granny, go straight down. The whole of them blood clot get to the family tree a cut down. Me no run then joke the youth. And them look fucking need that don't say they are Jamaica, them find it funny. For say, oh, look pan it, look what kind of blood clot example I said for people. He might go tell Uno say, if us can skate pan toll, the man live a guest house from guest house to guest house. How the fuck gonna consider them people as a influencer? What the fuck them are influencing for do? No, what them are influencer for do? If you don't live nowhere, you don't bother to fuck you, man. I want to tell you, if him feel like saying want to make a blood clot video answer me answer, because I'm not afraid of no boy and no girl and I'm dead. Like every woman me go and walk up and down with my phone every fucking garrison at town, my thing different. So if him feel like saying can blood clot this me up or try this me up, you make a sad mistake. You come in on live and I go talk about fish boy. What the fuck you do? Because you're not ready yet. Me no need to dress up like one woman. Forget 600, forget 1,000 people over here, so. Me no need to do that.